we're saying goodbye to our lovely office. We have been here for 3 years or something. I mean, me too, you won, but still.
3 years? That's a long time.
Well, just hope downtown's a good idea.
Yeah.
I can't stand everything the same all the time. We have to be moving forward, so yeah.
We are expanding our team and scaling and getting more cool people. Bigger family, man.
Seriously, we're not going to get our deposit now.
What's up with the location, though? That's all I'm saying.
We'll miss this office, but we're on to better things. Get the bike to work every day, so I'm happy.
So one of the things with change is growth. When things don't change, then it becomes stale. So here at J29, we're excited about the new growth and opportunities that arises as we change locations. We're looking forward to meeting new people, new opportunities, and scaling out new team members as well as we expand and be able to deliver better quality digital marketing services.